breaking news kene diala konte lianka raini gwasme kanwa TV. Jo me jo malat ke Dr. Bull Mill and men pai kwany wada me otega jo me chalat and Dr. Bull Mill. Dr. Bull Mill again first deputy chairperson of SPLM. Tega jo me chalat me goro ba jelinga ne dial. Shela de nene. A jenene dialan kon tin la de ne tin shaji SSPDF ke tin sha de ne South Sudan. No chirke bon dialan content ke part ni ke tike de into go de tere wini ke tin door chikana lar nene a kenet tel rada dien mi gorke tele de dien mi gorke mi rama mo sha de SSPDF charge gore we ke South Sudan chikan jo mo chikan kwena tama okay chikala nene. The first deputy chairperson of the SPLM has called on all political parties in South Sudan to disband the military wing, declaring that the South Sudan People Defense Forces SSPDF is the only legitimate army recognized by the Constitution. Any military wing should get Indian con, let's say SPLM Iotega Denika, T Bonaco Kendega Denikel, can the India Shaka Gor. All of them were going become a military kill by yiga de kill and de mo by actually SPLM SSPDF. But actually SSPDF shabu cholo no it take a boname a bonga ke bonga. So chajo me chajalat kachankan one and Bull Mill la May 23 Dr. Benjamin Bull Mill Ramadan la Vice President kajan the first deputy chairman ka SPLM Rama pai kwanya kirma yadit ajenche ben ka jo men go gorkane diala kon tela military wing any ditch military wing South Sudan gorga jen broad declare no jen aran SSPDF Rama wuje lugo no bala aran SSPDF akene bine deal ke je bine gorgwa da dana titino ke bine nak ka do badan lada jeje no so akene nene again cholne all the political parties to do the same. Any political party, let's say, China Morai Kyoki, mentioned Timan Peace Initiative. Dear Jagwade and Timan Peace Initiative, our hope of South Sudan, Katai and Shanagui, but you can't be Jigan Timan Peace Initiative, Jen a symbol, Mukwala confused near spelling my okaja. Okay, telling it right now to fail already. Tell me, Charlie, at Timan Peace Initiative. But take a bondang one, the Sharubichol UPA, United People Alliance. Dear Jangai Corner, make sure a lot. Can I talk what United People Alliance? Waken Pankin a show de Nikian. A la de Nikian, Yalikana could like Guakel, both Kake, Wood Shalka Paganum, by the way, both Woodamoka Candia. Canadian watching a military and Chicken like Guakel, Chicken Paganum, you can you Quanya Ramadan and La Chairman. Kake, Keramdan La Quarian. But a time a bull millionaire, a Janican part in ideal, any party metike de Nemo, metike Jecho, Gorka Jeno Candial, Bugodi report a la GSSPDF. Movie look. Ajan do karwade so ban je kule ngajen wonene en wala ke jen chang right kon ke jeme cha de mi kina dangaro ke Uganda ala UPDF cha ka no re we ke South Sudan mimo en ran ba je force rami we look ajan do find the shane no this is ajan of course to corajen wo would shall bull mele okay amu we kwer ke cheme right now a first deputy chairperson ke SPLM mu we look ajeno bejinak Shaja chunen no nika me pane pilot Ray Kwara me chaja kwanya la first deputy SPLM ja tuoko won walle che kume UPDF che jawdor ko baje deploy re wika South Sudan den mi kina dangro mena jenen anga bituk de ngam ke anga bituk de kaba anga bi laro no nobody taram bi laro no ajen do karwa da misiane ngwada me ajen the beginning and go be South Sudan the fail kano chi South Sudan che bugo wonya Como la gen ba military kelio ba jelat gwaskel nyo the gen go take ya kamora kan peace edana chala 2018 peace agreement ala revitalized peace agreement cha tiny wal mukwal goro ba di implement kana la let ke jeno shola ne dial no woje rodun bi SSPDF. I think there should be a process ngai kondiale so ne me warning we gonna the content we ke juba especially ko la nuare I'm going to give you some information mugora de cap Chika Juba right now. Ngeni ogwa onene chinin chika kwea. Chinin chika kwea ko South Sudan, not the whole South Sudan, but Juba. Dwala longa ne konti ka Juba ko men butuok beja ka gwadenbe. Mugori yeno de widu ndere chunga. Miche jira mwala dech atele jimu dodian milere wiki Juba. Gori je dete gwam de yalikati. they woka cam ke dire to gwam tit and of course then alar no right can ye dual no tell me go dual tin me 2000 as Uganda people defend for chaka deploy right now ke capital dung juba palete konde chalare ke ju right now chane ko kien chaka la tin tem right corner ne ti pai nanga wala ne ti kina dangro ke jano ci bol me chala choro no jene gore jene wo kan dini dial ba ke integrated and ran broad report tell me chala military wing mi jira mi matika party ke ti ka bon broad yig report ka so Sudan people defend force we look jeno agenda wang de no so jen woni ngada cha to bana moment gore nyo ay kel please gorno jin binam be nyo ngane de ko ken en ban nyaw jëm do den